Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube videos. Today we are going to breaking down the LeetCode questions, which is the 5 most frequent vowels and consonants. In these quick videos, we will cover the problem's definitions and also the core strategies that we use to solve these questions. Yeah, not much else to say, let us move to the explanation sections. So the questions given a string S consisting only the lowercase English letters. So we have to find out the two numbers first. The first one is the maximum number of any vowels. The second one is the maximum frequency of any consonants. Then we have to sum out these two frequencies together to form the final output. To solve these questions efficiently, we will use the hash map. Then you also can recognize it as the dictionary. Instead of scanning the strings over and over, we will loop it through only once. After we check each character, we will store it inside the map as the key. Then we will track its occurrence and store it inside the value. For example, given here, the S have the string value of the success. SUCCESSES. Okay. So I will demonstrate how I store the string value inside the hash map. So map, I will place the S. I will count how many S inside the string S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have the 5. U have 1. C also have only 1. Oh, only, oh sorry, 2. E have 2. S, yeah. So for the S, Q, C, and E are the key that representing the character, while the 5, 1, 2, and also these 2 are the value that representing its exact frequency and also the count. So in conclusions, the map formula is, you can recognize it like this. The first place is the key, then after this comma is the value. So in these questions, we will store the character inside the key, then the numbers of occurrence or the frequency, we will store it inside the value. Yeah, so this is the fundamentals of the hash map that used to solve these LeetCode questions. Yeah, this is the end for the explanation sessions. If you like my video, please subscribe and also share it to your friends. Yeah, see you guys on the next video. Bye bye. You just gotta be